Okay, pre-nursery class. Can you tell me what is the name of E.P.L? Pouring water. Very good. What is the name of E.P.L?
Pouring water.
And tell me, from which hand will you drink the water?
Right hand.
From which hand will you drink the water?
Right hand.
And from which hand will you pouring the water?
Right hand.
Right hand. From which hand will you drink the water?
Right hand.
From which hand will you drink the water? Right hand. Nod, Harim. Where is your right hand? No, this is your left hand. Right hand? Yes. Right hand? Yes. Okay. Nabira, pouring the water from bottle to glass. Fill half glass. Very good. Shabash. Okay. Aisha, fill the glass from bottle to glass. Very good. Okay, next. Zainab. Okay, Mariam. Pouring the water from bottle to glass. Fill half glass. Very good. Very good. Shabash. Little more. Little more. Pouring the water. Little more. Little more. और डालें इसके अंदर. Yes, very good. Next, Zainab. Okay, Zainab. Pouring the water from jug to glass. Fill half glass. Very good. Okay. Now, Aziz. Aziz. Pouring the water from jug to glass. Very good. Next, Aram Zahir. Pouring the water from bottle to glass. Fill the half glass. Yes, very good. Now it's turn, Abdullah. It should be half, not full, okay? Okay, very good. It should be half. Little more add. थोड़ा सा और डाल इसके अंदर. Half glass. Fill half glass. Very good. Shabash. Clap for table 1. Clap. All of you clap. Clap. All of you. Very good. Shabash.